just finishing up this cue. I've put I've put 2 lower splicers on that needed to be replaced. I'm gonna now just give it a bit of oil. I just like to use standard raw linseed oil to start with. Get some paper. But I love the way it transforms. Although these tins can be a bit of a pain to open. Right. Put a little bit on. There we go. Gives a few coats over a few days. See how we go from there. Light's not very good in here, but you can see one lower splice. That's the existing one. Another one on the bottom. Existing one. Back to the top.